Yes, I'm good, thank you. What about you?
Okay, early morning.
Hmm.
क्या चल रहा है?
I was just taking rest, relaxing.
Okay, right. Yeah. Did you
Okay.
go out today?
Not busy, just means as it was Sunday. So, what's wrong actually? Ah, yes. Actually, as it was Sunday, so I was little busy doing some, household things and jobs.
Mm,
So I was feeling just little tired. So at 4 p.m., I just lie down and just I switched on my new TV and,
oh, okay.
and I was listening, bhajans,
Oh.
Krishna bhajans,
Mm,
Krishna bhajans from old Hindi movies.
yeah.
Like you might remember, बड़ी देर भई नंदलाला, तेरी राह तके ब्रिजबाला. Have you heard that song? It is in Hindi actually. Old song.
Oh, not about this.
So I was just
Maybe it is like a very, very old song.
yes, old song.
Because, I mean, I'm not in touch like devotional songs much, but I used to listen that lady's songs, Subodhi. You know, one guy, Gulshan Kumar or somebody, T series has
Anuradha Podwal.
Anuradha Pauswal, yes. So he was shot dead some time back, long back, it seems, right?
1997.
Yeah, but 90s, I mean to say 90 to 95, I was in Nagpur district. I told you, right, in Nagpur, Ramtek. That time, I used to watch a lot Hindi movies, but that time she was very famous that time. Anuradha Paudwal, I mean, I think that guy gave like push up to her like much that time. That Gulshan Kumar or somebody, I mean.
Gulshan
T-Series
Kumar,
was,
yes, T series. Gulshan Kumar was a very, very poor man
okay.
earlier. Very poor man. He used to sell cassettes on, Thela.
What is Tela?
ठेले पे like the
Oh, okay, got it. Okay. A small four-wheel गाड़ी रहता है
yes, yes,
उसमें
yes, yes.
I mean street जाके
Yes. So he used to sell cassettes, audio cassettes on
Okay.
Thela.
Okay.
And after that he used to sell juice in Delhi on Thela, juice, a glass of juice of orange juice, like this. So actually he was not educated, but that idea clicked him and he started his own T series. And then he was, millionaire. But he was shot dead by, the because our Indian film industry. It is, occupied, or actually it is under the control of, mm, Muslim people like Dawood and all. They, fund that. So actually, but as he was the symbol of Hindus, Gulshan Kumar, so they people didn't like him, and they always, get some ransom or something from all the directors, but he denied, and as a result of that, he
Yeah,
he
had,
washed he washed his hand off his life. Well, so let's take that article again. What do you think?
yeah, that's right.
So next article we should take from India.
Yeah, I mean, I used to listen, I mean, not much, but that Anuradha Paudwal devotional songs that time, Jai Mata Ji, something like that. I used to listen that songs. I used to carry like almost 150 to 200 cassettes, I mean, in my room. At that time, I used to buy a lot, I mean, Hindi movies and songs.
Asia. Let's take that. It is a new, latest news 1 hour back. It was published here. Let's take
Sure.
that. Okay. 1 hour back it was published here. So this is the latest news. Let's read it.
Okay, two men arrested for 13-year-olds rape and murder. So two people are there. That's why we are using men. It is like plural. Okay.
Yes, MEN. Yes.
Normally we use MEN, but here
Yes.
MEN means like two
Yeah.
men arrested. It means like this is like a past tense.
Yes,
Arrested.
actually it should be two men were arrested, but as I told you in article, they take very simple sentence. Two men arrested,
Yes.
but the meaning of that is two men were arrested.
Okay.
Next, yes, go ahead.
Our body was found in a sugarcane field.
No, that sub article,
Okay.
no subtitle. A 13-year-old girl.
Yeah. 1 second. Okay. So a 13-year-old girl has been raped and murdered in India. Has been raped. He's like a passive voice.
But remember one thing, when we write the age like 13-year-old, we always
Okay.
take dash. You see that 13 dash year dash old.
Yes.
Okay, so remember this.
Oh, we cannot give like directly.
No. You can read it directly, but when we write something,
Right only. Yeah, also, we cannot write like a 13-year-old without hyphen.
no,
That's
you
not
must
right.
use it. You must
Okay,
use
got
it. Like I am, if suppose I say I am 55-year-old man.
Okay.
55 year hyphen
Hyphen.
old
Okay. Yeah,
man.
got it. Okay. Sure. Has been raped and murdered in India. It means like it's a passive voice. Has been raped. Normally we use like has raped, but it has been raped or something like that. this is passive and murdered. That is a pattern only
Yes.
in India because they don't want to write again in that
Yeah,
complete thing.
there is no need. Yes, there is no need.
No need of that one. That's why they did it like
Yes.
okay. So okay, the concept is he was she has been raped and murdered, 13-year-old by two men.
Yes.
Okay, her body was found in a sugarcane field in northern Uttar Pradesh state. Was found. This is also passive voice.
Yes.
Was found in sugar cane means like वो sugar cane रहता है ना वो
गन्ना
मतलब
वो गन्ना होता गन्ना.
I know sugar cane juice the mouth पीता था.
Yes.
I used to drink a lot. Found in sugar cane field मतलब वो I mean I don't know in हिंदी क्या बोलता है but
खेत शुगर. हाँ, शुगर केन की फील्ड मतलब उस खेत में उसकी बॉडी पाई गई.
Body मिल गया. I mean they found that one. Okay, in Uttar Pradesh state. So police said on Saturday. Okay, police said this is again indirect speech, right?
Yes.
So Saturday, two neighbors in the village have been arrested. So they arrested two neighbors means like whoever is living beside their
Yes.
house. They were arrested and I mean उसके वो दोनों में शक है इसलिए they arrested but not from Tehran. Police have denied the father's account that his daughter had her eyes looked out and okay and her tongue cut. Oh God.
Means police have denied the father's account.
Okay. फादर ने कुछ बोला था ये पुलिस ने डिनाई किया. वो क्या है कि उसका फादर बोला कि कुछ बाहर आया कुछ करके टंग कट हो गया करके कुछ बोला but they denied. Police denied that part. Am I correct?
Police have denied on the father's account. Means actually police have denied the father's account that his daughter had her eyes gouged out. मतलब उसकी आंखें निकाल ली गई.
That's what it, okay.
उस लड़की की आंखें निकाल ली गई. हाँ. Yeah, and her tongue was cut. तो police has denied on father's account.
Okay. मतलब वो सही नहीं है करके बता रहे पुलिस. हाँ. जो
आखिर
नहीं
हाँ.
और वो
yes.
वो सही नहीं है करके बता रहे.
Yes. And remember they have used police have. Police is actually collective noun. Police is a word which is collective noun. So usually collective nouns are always considered as singular noun. But here they have written police have. So they have treated it as a plural. Police have.
Okay. Good मतलब?
वो बाहर निकल आया आंख उसके.
Okay. You can say come out, right? Rape and sexual violence have been under the spotlight in India since the 2012 gang rape and murder of a young woman on a bus in the capital city. Okay. Okay. इसका मतलब I think one incident happened in Delhi. Like I think those guys hanged right recently.
Yes, they were hanged.
Yes.
I think they were hanged in March.
Recently, yes.
They were hanged in March. this year.
Okay. Okay.
Before
Rape
lockdown.
and, yes, the rape and sexual violence have been under the spotlight in India since 2012. Say, कुछ, I mean, I mean, spotlight. मतलब they're doing some more investigations
Yes.
and more
Means, yeah, police is, or you can say the administration, the government, they are more active.
More active on that these days.
Yes.
Okay. So, I mean, since that 2012 incident, that attack led to huge protests and changes to the country's rape laws. Okay. But there has been no sign of crimes against women and girls abating. But there has been no sign of crime against women and girls abating. Means like कम हुआ करके नहीं है.
हाँ.
Correct? Abating मतलब क्या है?
Abating means actually you can say something unpleasant.
Unpleasant.
Yes. Or severe, become less intensive or widespread.
Okay. Okay. वो ऐसा किया तो भी इतना
कमी नहीं आई कुछ. हाँ.
या इतना चेंज नहीं है करके बता रहे प्यारे भाई. According to recent crime figures, every fourth rape victim in India is a child. In an overwhelming number of rape cases, the victims know the perpetrators. मतलब क्या है?
Perpetrators means the person who does the crime.
Oh, okay. The person who does the crime.
It means in most of the cases, the perpetrators are known to the rapist or known to the person who has been raped.
Okay.
Getting my point?
Yes.
मतलब victim जानता है उसको. In most of the cases.
Got it.
जो जानता है वही रेप करता है.
Known people only they are doing this one.
Only known people do it.
Yeah. 4 men executed for 2012 Delhi bus rape. Why India's rape crisis shows no signs of abating. Same thing. Okay. Rape for money by her father's friend. The pregnant child caught in media storm. Okay. So these are the things happening there. So I mean,
these are different. These are different articles.
Yeah. But these are the things happening. That's what they are referring to.
Yes.
The point wise, different types of. Okay. The latest incident occurred late on Friday in Bakaria village in the Lakhimpur Kheri district police cell. Okay. इधर हुआ करके पता रहे. I mean Friday. Okay. The family went searching for their daughter after she failed to return from a toilet break out in the field. Oh God. Okay. They went searching for their daughter. वो बात हाउस दूर के गया था, वो नहीं आया, इसलिए they went to search for her daughter, but they found like some, I mean, dead or I don't know, but something happened there. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
Okay. They say they found her body mutilated. मतलब
mutilated means severely, means the body was damaged.
Oh, okay. Body was damaged.
Severely.
Okay.
like means taking out her eyes, cutting her tongue, like this.
Okay. There were scratches near the eyes, likely due to the sharp sugarcane leaves where the body was found. Police spokesman Satyendra Kumar said.
No, you have left one paragraph.
Okay. Yeah, sorry. Okay. But police said the postmortem examination had concluded that she had died from uh, strangulation after being raped.
Strangulation,
मतलब
strangulation, like this. Strangulation.
oh, okay, got it. Okay. मतलब वो I mean, kind of, okay, I know what.
उसका गला दबाकर उसको.
Yeah, understand. After rape, but not that her eyes had been gouged out or that her tongue had been cut. Tongue had been cut. Okay. So, okay, ऐसा किया, but इसका मतलब वो उसका eyes नहीं है और tongue काट हुआ करके नहीं है करके बता रहे वो लोग.
But postmortem report says that she was strangulated after the rape.
Yes.
You see,
Sorry?
strangulation after being raped. So means you see that how they have made it passive voice. After being raped.
Yes. So there were scratches near the eyes, likely due to the sharp sugarcane leaves where the body was found. Police spokesman Satyendra Kumar said, "This is like a direct speech."
Yes.
So eyes के, I mean, close to near to eyes, scratches है करके बता रहा है because of sugar canes है ना, इसीलिए maybe the leaves edges
yes.
had made some kind of
yes, scratches nearby eyes.
Sharp, sharp edges रहता ना, okay. A senior member of the opposition Congress party, Jitin Prasada, condemned the attack as
Saddening.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know the political people, everything they wanted to do it like for
Politics.
Politics. Because, yeah, I agree that is very sad, but okay. A senior member of the opposition Congress party, Jitin
Prasada.
Yeah, Prasada. So, उसको कंडेम किया, वो अच्छा नहीं है करके कुछ बोला वो.
Saddening.
The inhuman act with a girl has put humanity to shame, he said. According to the Times of India newspaper, okay. वो कुछ quotation दिया. The inhuman act with a girl has put humanity to shame, okay. Shame है करके, I mean, but okay. Yeah, let us discuss later those things. But the instance comes months after the case of a 6-year-old girl who was abducted outside her home in Madhya Pradesh state and raped. So ये हुआ a couple of months के बाद. I mean, the instance comes months after the case of a. इसका मतलब months के पहले 6 years old का girl का कुछ हो गया.
Abduct.
Yes.
Abduct, you know abduct?
No.
Abduct is the synonym of kidnap.
Okay. Synonym of kidnap.
Yes.
Okay. 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 The attacker inflicted severe injuries to the child size in an apartment, in an apparent attempt to stop her identifying him, or inflicted severe injuries to the child eyes. Oh, okay. ओके वो आइडेंटिफाई करता करके सोच के कुछ तो कुछ किया आइस को ओके
So that she might not be able to recognize him.
yeah exactly the attack okay in February a 25-year-old man was arrested for allegedly raping a 5-year-old girl on the premises of the US Embassy in Delhi.
Now you see in US Embassy.
Yeah, no, close to US Embassy.
Premises of the US Embassy.
Yes, that's what. Okay, इसका मतलब okay, okay.
Premises. उसके अंदर.
Understand.
I mean there was no guard. There was nothing. Okay.
So raping in November last year, the gang rape and murder of a 27-year-old vet in the southern city of Hyderabad also made global headlines and triggered protests. Okay.
Okay. So that was the article. Okay.
Yeah, continuation to this Subodhi. I mean, I'm not saying everywhere these incidents are happening, not only in India, but I mean in any country it's happening, and they are getting. I mean, they are punished for those activities, and the things are happening, but the only thing I don't understand.
Actually, you are right. Your question itself is a valid point to ask that why it is happening. Not in India, even means all over the world. We see that such kind of heinous crimes are being done against women and in children, against children. You know, actually, the people, what I think, the people who have been in power or the people who have been in administration or who have been in government or the people who make laws or the people who are defending laws like means the judges, the court, Supreme Court, actually what they do, if they find someone who has done or who has committed a crime, he is caught, he is sued under the law in the court, and after that he is punished and they think they have done their duties. It is being happened, or it is being done all over the world, that any criminal or any rapist, if they are caught or if they are found, they are sued under the court by the law and then they are punished, and that's all. But this is not the solution, I think. This is not the permanent solution. What I think I am telling you, because actually we are not going to find out the root cause of the problem. The root cause of the problem is our society. What we are actually showing on television, what we are actually, you see our children, these are very much exposed to the atmosphere, means they are just since their childhood, they are just 2, 3, 4 years old, but they are able to operate their means fathers and mothers mobile. What they are watching there, Means they start watching all these things from the beginning, and they
Yes,
are
that's
exposed.
correct.
Even now it is very common these days, like
Yeah,
kissing scenes, lot of things are means done openly on television, TV serials and programs, and so they are exposed to all these things. And as the children, they are not as much developed as we think. Their mind is not means mature. So what they see, they think this is natural, it is to be done. Or when, like, the people, like, young boy, like 16-year-old, 15-year-old, 17-year-old, when they watch all these things, they want to do it practically. So when they want to do it, they don't understand the dire consequences of it, what is going to happen to them after that incident, but they do it. So actually something is to be controlled from the root cause, and I think it is not going to be controlled. It is not easy because it has spread, it has been in the society, or it has been in the blood of the society. It is very difficult to take it out from the blood of the society,
yeah,
I
but
think.
uh,
So
I feel like, yeah, I mean, whatever you said is someday I agree, someday I disagree, because I mean, basically what I think, even I mean, uh, okay, I agree. What you said is like, okay, if they like 13-year-old or 14-year-old or 15-year-old, if they do these kind of things, yeah, you said that is because of like lack of knowledge or anything. Okay, but if you see the most of the cases, whatever the things happening, they are done by, I mean, older age people. You know what I'm saying?
yes, yes,
It's
I do agree. Hmm.
so what I mean, what I feel. I mean, I agree 100%. This is like more exposure of internet or whatever the technicalities. Because of that, I totally agree. But why the older people are also doing the same thing? Because what I feel like lack of awareness. I mean, for the children, what we are discussing below 15 years or 16 years or whatever the thing we are discussing, like lack of education
Yes,
and lack of like the atmosphere where they grown up. Okay, these things also happened in even Andhra or anyway. I'm not saying like north or south or in any country. Same problem is there.
I do agree
What?
with you. I do
Yeah.
agree with you definitely, because actually, we have to teach
Yes.
the children from the beginning that they should be taught that what their private parts are, and they should be taught these private parts can be touched by their parents only,
Yes.
or if
Yes.
anybody else tries to touch them. Actually, that was taught by Amir Khan in a program. I saw that program. And he was teaching all these things. Small children, kids were there, and he was teaching that you should know what your private parts are, and these can be touched by your parents only during uh, helping you taking bath or whatever. So, like this means, so if anybody else who who he or she may be, if they touch your private parts in any way, you should shout immediately and try to run from there. That is to be taught. And if they are taught in that way, I think we can control such kind of things to some extent. And the second part, I also want to add here that the person who is a criminal or who is a guilty of doing that, he should be punished quickly, means within no time. Trial should not go for a long time in a court, and he should be hanged publicly, and that should be telecast on television live, that this is the person, this is the person, and you see that is the result. No, you have to make, you have to make, laws strict if you want to control all these things. If you can't make, you should come out of it. You do whatever you want to do. But they don't want to do it. I know, because most of the politicians, or most of the, the so-called officers, so-called judges, they are also involved in such kind of things. I don't say all are doing all these things, but most of them, they are taking extra advantage of their power. So they don't make the laws strict. They know.
Again, here two things are there, Subodhji. Maybe, I might be wrong, but what I am saying, two things are there. One is the rates, whatever we are discussing. The other one, if the politicians, whoever it may be, if they have that, they are not able to get those kind of things at home, or if they have some kind of things, they should do with in different way, not like kind of rapes or anything. You know what I'm saying? Hello?
Yes, you first complete, I'll tell you later.
So they should not do like innocent children or people or anything like that. Because, I'm not saying like to do like a prostitution or anything, but the thing what I'm trying to say, there are different ways.
But I'm going to interrupt you here. I'm not talking about prostitution and all. I can tell you the name of 52 MP right now at present. They are in parliament. They all are from BJP, and they have serious crime against women like rape and something. So you can't say that they don't do that. They do. Prostitution, they're involved in that. That is different thing. I am not talking about that. I am talking about crime. That one Mr. Sanger from Uttar Pradesh, he earlier he was in Samajwadi Party, then he was in Congress, and then he was in BJP. He raped that girl and he murdered that girl. He murdered her parents. Still he is moving at large. So I am not talking about what they are doing. They may do willingly. If they are doing something like that with others, it's okay. I have no problem with that. But I am talking about crime. I am talking about crime.
Yes.
If anything is done forcefully against anyone, that is a crime.
I agree. 100% that is right.
Yeah.
And what even in Andhra Pradesh also, these kind of things happen. What they do, police men also, example, if they are from poor families or like poor, if they don't have any background, they do like some kind of encounter. That time to suppress that incident.
Yes.
If they are from big families and
yes.
suitcases, they dilute the case. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, I agree with you.
So that should not be like that. That's what I need to say.
But I have realized one thing. Now Of course, it took long time for me to understand all these things. Earlier, I thought everything was means uh, everything was done in a right way, or means the people get justice. I mean that means I was in a, you can say, dark side of my life. But when I came into reality, I found that there is no justice at all. There is nothing. There is no education at all. There is no medical facility at all. How powerful you are to avail these things. It is your power actually. That how powerful you are to get education or to get a job. It's completely your power.
It's better. Yeah, got it.
Means if you think that you are from a very weak, what I should say, means if a person who is from a poor society,
Yeah, yes.
if you think that person is going to have the good medical facility, the good education, the good shelter, the good food, not nobody cares actually, nobody cares.
Again, suppose if this entire comes again like the government, like, if you take any incident, anything, whatever is happening, that comes under government, I mean, because of government only, because they are not giving proper things to that, like some kind of video level people are like. They are not facilitating the things. You know what I'm saying? Like as you said, education or something like that. They are not giving like the proper things. That is the reason. These things are happening everywhere.
Actually, we think that means that this government, this political leader is very good. He will do that for the country. Actually, no. Now means actually, I am very much fed up of all these people.
Okay.
Really means I don't want to see their face. I don't want to listen even their voice. I hate them like this because they are me. What I should say, I have no words to say anything. Actually, what I have understood, why people actually try to be rich these days. They want to make money by hook or crook. They just want to make money. They want to be rich. If they are rich, they can buy anything for them. They can buy medical facilities. They can buy education. They can buy even justice for them. Justice is not given to the person here. It is bought. If you are capable, you can buy justice for you. If you are poor, forget justice. You see that Sushant Singh. I don't want to go in that case in detail, but this is just an example.
Not only Sushant Singh, I don't know the technicalities and what happened exactly, but one lady also there, right? Jia Khan or somebody.
Yes.
She was,
Yes.
And that time she was pregnant. Actually.
And Divya Bharti also.
Yeah, Divya Bharati. And actually, she was like very, very talented, and that time she will pick. We thought like she will become like number one
actress. Yes, I know.
Because the growth was like that. That time, even though very, 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 very engaged, but
and Divya Bharti was also very famous from the first movie itself.
yes.
After that, she was murdered.
She acted in Telugu. I'm talking about Divya only because she was very famous that time.
Divya Bharti acted in Hindi movies also.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Both Hindi and Telugu.
Yes.
When I was in engineering, I saw one movie that is Deewana something.
Yes. With Rishi Kapoor.
Famous, super hit movie.
Yes, with Rishi Kapoor.
Yeah, two heroes are there that movie. I think. Yeah, not only that movie. There are many movies, super hit movies that time. Even that engaged, she acted with Chiranjeevi also that time. You know Chiranjeevi, right?
I know because he acted in Hindi movies also.
Yeah, he's like megastar in Telugu, so like Amitabh Bachchan.
I think I have seen his Hindi movie also.
Yeah, one is like Pratipand and one is like Raj Ka Gunda Raj.
I think I have seen one. I didn't remember the name, but I have seen.
So because these things, what's happening when the incident happens, that time only they do some kind of like statements and haraudi, you know what I'm saying. After that, after a couple of days, they will wash out. Like they don't care about that. They think the different things.
Actually, when such things happen in any society, then people come forward for the justice. Then they take justice by force. Lot of examples are there. Do you know Phulan Devi?
Yes, I know. I watched that movie also.
Phulan Devi, actually, you know the history. Actually.
Pandit Veer.
But when she was just 13-year-old, 12-year-old, she was raped by 13 of the Thakur people.
Yes.
Then she killed all of them and became that bandit queen. And then she was MP also, member of parliament. I appreciate her effort. I mean support. And
is she alive now?
No. She was shot dead long before.
Yeah. That's what I remember. That's what my next question.
She was shot dead actually. She was shot dead by some of the Gundas people.
Yeah.
So, lot of people like Pan Singh Tomar, you see. The Pan Singh Tomar, he was from nearby my city.
Who is that?
You see the movie Pan Singh Tomar?
No, I didn't see.
See, Pan Singh Tomar, Irfan Khan is in the leading role.
Pan Singh
Tomar. Yes.
Okay.
Very good movie.
Okay.
So you will come to know he was a very good person. He was in army and he got gold medal for the country. But because of some problems in his family, and when he went to police station, they didn't help him. Then he became dacoit.
Oh, really?
Yes, this is the real story. So you see, they people came forward to take the justice. I think that they were not wrong. If they are not getting the justice from the society, even I think if I am not going to have justice, if anything wrong happens with me and if I don't get justice, I will have to take that justice by illegal way. What is wrong in that? What is wrong?
I mean, there is nothing wrong.
What is wrong in that? I need justice. If I don't get justice, I have to do it. I have to get it. It is my right. I am asking, if I am asking the government, if I am asking your what I should say, the system, give me the justice. If I am not given, then what I will do? Either I should die or I should take it forcefully. I will die. If I am not given the justice, it means I am dead. If I am not given justice, it means I am dead. Then why should I be dead before taking it from the people? Do or die? No, I don't believe in this. Gandhiji used to say do or die. Why? Do and die. If ultimately you have to die, then why don't you do it? Do or die. Gandhiji used to say. I don't agree with him. करो या मरो, करके मरो ना यार. Do and die. Do and survive instead of do or die. Do and survive. If not possible to survive, do and die. But set an example for your next generation. Don't die before doing anything.
Understand.
Okay.
Yes, you are right. You are right.
So